Today we are going to study what we have already studied. While learning any language, we learn alphabet or letters. Alphabet or letters in English are 26. We all know from ABC to XYZ. There are 26. They are divided into three parts: vowels, which are 5: A, E, I, O, U; semi-vowels, which are 2: W, Y; consonants from B to Z minus vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. All of us know alphabet, but what is alphabet? The answer comes differently. Roughly, we can say that alphabet or letters is a group of some symbols of sound which helps in the formation of words. For example, if we say double O G D, for example, O O G D, it makes no sense. When these words are assembled in this form, G O O D, it becomes good. Further, let us have some idea about word. What is word? Word is a group of alphabet or letters which makes some sense. Example we can have: good. Further, we should know sentence. Sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Example: you are a good student. With sentence, we should know phrase. What is phrase? Phrase is a group of words which makes some sense. Example: in the evening. Clouds. Clouds is a group of words which sometimes makes complete sense and sometimes incomplete sense. When the clouds makes complete sense, it is called principal clause or sentence. When the clouds makes incomplete sense, it is called subordinate clause. Example: The boy who is sitting on the last bench is in class 8. The boy is in class 8 is principal clause or a sentence. Who is sitting in the last bench is a subordinate clause. After sentence, phrase or clause, we come to paragraph. Likewise, paragraph is a group of sentence which makes complete sense or an idea. After paragraph, we have story,